Designing a leave request form, which will be in a protected electronic form. So you just need to open up Microsoft Word. Make sure you're on Arial size 12 and no spacing. And we're going to start with the heading first. We're going to do it in capitals. Then a couple of enters, maybe one more. Insert table 2 across and 4 down. Then we're going to select the entire table by clicking on the Editing tab. Go to Table Tools Layout, Cell Margins, and top and bottom we're going to do 0.15. Say OK. Down this column here is going to be headings. First one is name, colon, position, colon, department, colon, and manager. As they're headings, they should be bold. So go back to home, then bold. And we don't need all this space here, so we're going to pull the column back. Then in this area here is where the employee is going to be filling in the form. This part here, we're going to go up to the Developer tab. If you don't have the Developer tab, you go File, Options, Custom Ribbon. Over on this list here, you make sure there's a tick in the Developer tab, and then OK. Then we have the Developer tab on the ribbon. We click Developer, click on our suitcase, which is Legacy Tools, and click the ABC. We also need that for Position, and we need that for Manager. Underneath your table, if you do about 3 enters for me, and then we're going to do some more headings. This one's called Leave Type, colon. Then we're going to do a tab stop across that will line up with these. So you need to see your ruler. If you don't have your ruler, you go View and then put a tick in Ruler. So I'm going to put a tab stop around about 4.25. So I just click on the edge of the ruler. Then I push Tab on my keyboard, and then we're going to do from our Developer tab a drop-down list. So from the tick box here, we go across one, which is a combo box. Click on that. Then we go into Properties, and we're going to call this Leave Type. Then down here, the section here, we're going to do Add, and we're going to do Annual Leave. Say OK. Add another one, Sick Leave. Add Study Leave. Add Bereavement. And let's do Day in lieu. Once you've finished that, you say OK. Then we do 2 enters. We're going to do Leave Start Date, tab across. Then on our Developer tab, we look at our tick box and then go over 3. This is our calendar for a date picker. 2 enters, Leave End Date, tab across, we need the date picker again. 2 enters, total days requested, and tab. Then in our Legacy Tools, we do the ABC. Then we do about 3 enters. Type your name, Then tab across and do the ABCs. Then we do 2 enters, maybe 3. Then we go insert, signature line, Microsoft Office signature line, and in here we're going to say employee signature. And OK. And then 2 enters, approved by. Two enters, and then signature line again. And this is Human Resource Manager. And OK. And if you could click, I just need this moved across. So we're going to tab it across. And this one, just push your tab on your keyboard until it comes in line with this. This is what we're looking for, a nice line. And then do 3 enters for me. Then the last bit, we're going to type instructions. So could you do the word instructions, colon. Then we're going to highlight this, right click, font, advanced, under spacing we're going to change it to expanded, and this one we're going to change to 2, and then say OK. Please complete this form and forward to the Human Resource Manager. Employees should allow 10 working days for annual leave approval. 2 enters, signatures may be electronic or handwritten. Now we just need to tidy this up. So if we go view one page, just need to grab some space. So I'm going to grab a space from here. I'm going to click here and then push delete. And I'm going to do a space, go here and delete. I'm just trying to get all this on one page. So now it's all on one page. Highlight the word instructions, go to home and bold. Highlight leave request form, right click, font, advanced, spacing, expanded, and change this to 6. And then while we've got this highlighted on the home tab, we're going to go center. And we can increase the size to 14. You can bold it if you wish. Let's bold that. And then the last piece we're going to do is down here next to instructions, we're going to go to our home tab. On our borders button, we're going to go top border. And then I'll leave it up to you to go back to departments and put in the different departments from the instructions that are sitting on Moodle.
Once you have completed your form, you will need to protect it. This will enable the end user to complete your form. So under Developer, Restrict Editing, you need to click on both boxes for 1 and 2. Under 2, change it from no changes to filling in forms. This is the most important part. If you don't change it here, then the person cannot complete your form. Then press on Yes, start enforcing protection. Don't include a password and say OK. Then you need to save this, and I recommend saving it as a template. So I'm just going to save mine to the desktop. and we will call it the leave request template, and then change here to a Word template. You'll notice that no sooner you choose Word template, your destination changes. This is a default folder. If you're using the same computer or same laptop all the time, then this destination is okay, as long as you remember it is now gone into your default documents under custom office templates. If you're across a network, I would suggest you then navigating to the place where you would like to have it saved. I'm going to save it to the desktop. Then when you want to send it through to a person who is going to fill in your form, they would left double click on your protected form. This then opens it as a new document, and let me just zoom in for you. Then they can start typing in their name. Then they push tab on the keyboard. Then they can go through and complete the form. Leave type, annual, start date, etc. All of these are now clickable, and each one of these is filling in. Then the person would save it as a new document. So Jo would save it as her leave request and her name once she's completed all of these. So you know your form is working properly if the person can actually type in here and push tab and it goes to the next one, and they can't go anywhere else. I can't go anywhere else off these dedicated positions that I've said that they can fill in. So that's how you would do a protected form where the person can tab through and complete the form. Thank you for watching.